TradingView has a built-in news feed that pulls headlines for every stock, sector, and asset you watch. And it's not perfect, but it's free and surprisingly good. Here's how to use it. All you have to do is head over to the right side on TradingView, go to the bottom, click on the circle with squares in it. It's called Products, and head over to News Flow on the top. Now a whole list of different news articles will pop up, but you'll notice it's very spread out and not really, defined to an instrument or sector that we want to look at. So we have a whole list of filters up at the top, and we can use this to really own in on what we want to watch. Let's look at Apple. So go to instrument and just click on Apple. Now that we've done that, let's dive in deeper. Let's look at their economics. I want to learn about Apple and GDP. What articles talk about both? Awesome, but let's dive even deeper. Let's go into corporate activity, and this might not pop up any results, but I'm very interested to see if an article talks about Apple, GDP, and IPOs. That seems like an interesting read that'll give me a lot of information that I can use to make trades off of. I guess there isn't any, but the great thing about the filters is that we can keep on going until we find one. So let's look at changing GDP. Let's just remove it all together, and instead, let's focus on the corporate activity. Let's look at share buybacks and earnings and IPOs. Now, this is just a list of stuff that I want to look at regarding Apple, and I can scroll through here and look at them. Let's click on a distinct article. Let's look at this top one right here from Barron's. Awesome. Now you don't have to go to Safari or Chrome and search it up, but you have it right open on TradingView. This saves a lot of time, and a great benefit of this is, say that we want to look at this article while looking at the chart. Look at the top right after you click on the article and click on this button. This is perfect. Now we have the Apple chart on our left and we have the article on our right. We can cross-reference them in such a short time instead of having to go to Barron's actually and then, switching tabs and doing all that back and forth moving. Have a great day, guys.